In this video of the SEO course, today we'll teach you exactly how you can do article submission. So article submission is one of the important activities in the off-page SEO because through this you provide quality content to another website. And if you know how to find those quality websites where articles can be submitted and backlinks can be created, and if quality of article is good, then you'll get a do follow link, a quality backlink, and this is a very good way to quickly boost your website or to improve your Google ranking as well. So I'll practically teach you this today. How to find and properly check sites, then submit your article and create a link. Stay tuned and pay attention. Okay. Alright. So here is a website for example. I found a site for you guys for article submission, and that site is the omnibus.com. Okay. Friends, this is a particular site and we'll also check its DAPA. Is this website really worth it for us to create a backlink? And how we can find other sites in which we can do article submission. First, to check the website, I'll use a DAPA checker tool. Alright. Now I'll go to the website SEO checker, and we'll put our domain. And I'm not a robot. Now we'll check DAPA. So I'm trying another website, domain authority 58, page authority 52, and you can see backlinks. The quality backlinks are in lakhs. And there are many of them. Most trust is 5 and spam score. It's just okay. It's not too good, right? But still it's around 10. Spam score from 1 to 10 is considered good. If it goes much above 10, like 20, 30 or 50, then it's a bad site. So this is okay. Alright, so here we have this. I mean, for us this site is fine and we can certainly create a backlink here. And to find article submission websites for backlinks, just go to Google search. Just type article submission sites. Here you'll find lists of many websites and also many other websites that will provide you with those article submission sites. They'll tell you the authority and other things. And from there you can pick out the free websites, check their DAPA using Moz or any other website tool. After checking, and if the authority seems good for the site, then open it. After opening, you'll have to register there and you have to do free sign up. So here I'll click on join now button. Let's use their suggested password. And the password is strong, but the username, password and also email ID that you are using here. You need to save all these details in your datasheet for future reference, so that you might use this site later for reports or for other things. So here by signing up, I agreed and then submitted. So after I will submit this, a verification code will go to my email. Let's see if the code has arrived or not. We'll wait for the code to arrive, then verify our site and proceed to the next step. Let's just refresh it once more. So the mail has arrived. We'll just click on the provided link to verify our account, then see what it will do straight away. Okay, we'll click on verify. Alright, now we need to log in. Let's set our nickname as MF123. In full name, we'll write Marketing Fundas. Make it private limited. Let's add a bio. We'll copy the bio from the site to save time. Okay. But you have to create these other things. I'm just saving time. I haven't created specific content for this. But for now, I've simply copied a bio and have pasted here, but you have to create the quality content. And I've pasted bio here. Okay. You can put up to 300 characters. I mean that you can put the bio here up to 300 words. And email ID will be same. If you want, you can change, then re-verification will happen, but you can keep it same. That you have in the contact number, I've put the number, added details, and in the city column. We will enter New Delhi here for now, alright? So the country and other details have come up. Now whatever social media links you have, definitely add them. So like Facebook or whatever links you have of your social media accounts, right? Just add them. Okay, after adding all these links and stuff, you have to again click on submit story. After submitting, it asks which plan, paid or free, and since we only need 5 posts a month, we'll take the free one. Then we went to choose plan. So here we have placed the order for the free plan. Okay. Now here we'll activate our plan, right? Okay, so here we will activate the free plan that we have chosen, right? So it's activated. We'll go on submit story. After it's active, we can add story, meaning we can add our article. And here we will put the title. I've already created all the content for you beforehand, so that we can save some time here. Here first we will put our title carefully. Okay. And then here we'll paste our content. So let's copy this content as well from our document. All right. Whatever blog or whatever article that you want to post. So the method is that it should be of 1000 words. Now 500, 800 words are outdated. It should be of 1000 words or more. And the content must have quality, be unique, and should not be copied. Because the other website is giving you a free backlink, and if you don't give quality content, then why it'll give a do follow link? It's possible that later they might delete your link, so that's a problem. So here we will paste the content, and whatever editing you want to do, like if you want to add colors or adding images, you can do that all from here. So after doing all this, if you want to add a link like Google Ad Service in Delhi, so just select this. Go to the link section and you can simply paste the link here. For example, let's say I want to give my website's link of homepage or of whichever page I want to give the link. So I'll go there. And then here I will paste the link and then I'll save it. Okay. And here I have successfully added my link. All right. And then I will submit this story. Is that clear? Now we will add some tags now. Like here we will add the tag digital marketing, Google Ads is not coming here. So tags means that can come here. Here we'll put internet marketing or marketing, just like this. We can add the tags of 5 topics easily. All right. And if you want to write here something or add a specific title for SEO, then we can add it. Google Ads Management Service Agency, like this. If you want to add a description, then write best agency for digital marketing. So you can add in this way. Set it up properly, and here you have added the link. Okay, so it simply means that is already used. Okay, so you can see here now that someone has used this link before, so I'll make it -1. Okay, so it has accepted here. Now click on submit now. Here it says please choose photo, so obviously we have to add a photo. Okay, so here we will add a photo. Let's choose one for now, just for the demonstration. Okay, so you should create a photo of the right size and it should look good, and you really need to add everything properly, because you're getting a free quality to follow backlink. Give them amazing content so they won't remove it later. Okay, so after adding the image properly and when everything is done, we'll click on submit again. Okay, write-up has been posted and visible to public. Okay, now if we want, we can close this and the public will be able to see it. So look in this particular way. My article named as omnibus.com Google Ad Service in Delhi. So this article has been posted on this website just like this, and then the headline, image and content are appearing. Okay, as you can see all this here, right? Okay, so in this way I have got the backlink here for my site. Okay friends, the article is now posted like this, and now anyone can comment or interact. So you can also create your article like this very easily, and you can submit your created articles. You can also create backlinks for your website. It's that easy and simple, and anyone can do it. If you have added your social links where the option was provided, they'll appear here. If anyone will click, then they will reach here. So I hope you can now do article submission properly. Thank you.